That's the entrance door of the apartment. Just when we enter, we found this beautiful apartment, totally equipped with a really good natural light that entered through this window. Bed sofa in front of the TV with a dining area, entire wardrobe. Exterior window view, air conditioning that is really good for the summer in Madrid, kitchen totally equipped with the dishes and glasses, 4 stove, oven, the fridge, really good natural light through the window here in the kitchen. In the other side, we enter to the bedroom with a double bed, really good space too, wardrobe, this shelving here, and we finish with the bathroom ready to use. So that's the apartment in a really good location of the center of Madrid city, totally equipped and ready for booking.